Flavors of Pakistan in Vietnam. Following up on our visit to the Lunar Cruise, it was an absolute honor of sharing our food with the Pakistani ambassador Koedar Murray, head chef Sir, and the Lunar Cruise team. We started off by teaching Chef Sir how to make Pakistani dhaba chai, and here is how it went. I'll tell you my recipe. We need to put 2 cups of milk. Bring to boil. Now you hold this and you turn it around like this. Yes. And then we add sugar. All the sugar goes in.
All sugar.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bring to boil. It comes till here. Next is 1 cup of water.
Yeah.
We want the milk to boil once minimum.
Wow.
There you go. There you go. And yay! At this point, we'll add the tea. I brought the tea from Pakistan. All the teas goes in. Yes. Perfect. Yeah.
Good smell.
Good smell. Yeah. Now take your hand, put a drop over here, and then taste. Perfect. So the tip is you need to boil it properly 4 or 5 times, and that is going to get the flavor in the tea. Done. We are going to plate it street style. I'll do one, you do the next one. We have this large size sieve.
Yeah.
And then you do this. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Ready?
Ready?
Now on the center, that's the trick. On the center. Yes, that's it. That's it. Good. So we are on a 6-star cruise and we're making dhaba tea. This is going to be a very memorable video on Food Fusion. Arey wah! Vietnamese love seafood. So we prepared our special masala fish with their local fish, which was an amazing fusion. The entire cruise had that wonderful masala fragrance all over. People were asking, what are you cooking here? Saima showed her plating skills and we all worked together to present something that we deeply love. And we also make garlic bread, treating them with bold bursts of Pakistani flavors that they absolutely love. Luckily, everyone loved it and they were asking for more. It was our first experience cooking on board a cruise ship, and the preferential treatment, we are never going to forget that. This part of the cultural exchange I love. In return, the chef and his entire team shared their traditional Vietnamese steamed fish and many more local delicacies. This was an amazing learning experience from each other, bringing a piece of home to Vietnam.